children, coloring is really fun. Let's start coloring by numbers. Number 1. Yes, green color. Let's do it. Yes. Number 1. It's green color, number 1. Yes, we are doing it. Great job. The number 2 is yellow. Yes, number 2. Number 2. Then comes number 3. Dark green for the legs. Well done. And then comes number 4. Yes, red color. Let's color the second dinosaur. Number 1, all the number 1 is yellow. Then we have number 2. Number 2 is which color? Let's see. Oh yes, orange color. Then comes, yes, number 2. Then comes 3, number 3. Green color. Number 3 is color green. Yes. And then comes number 4, red color. Yes, we've done it. Then let's color another dinosaur. Oh, the standing dinosaur. Yes, number 1. Then let's color number 2. Brown color. Number 2 is brown. Yes. Then let's color number 3. Orange. Yes. Let's color number 4. It's easy to color, children, and it's really enjoying. Coloring is beautiful. Yes, you are doing it well. Well done. Whenever you have time now, children, use it for coloring and drawing. It's the best hobby. Next. Let's color the next dinosaur. Oh, one more dinosaur. See? Yes, number 1 is blue color, yes. Then comes number 2. Number 2 is green. Then comes number 3. Number 3 is yellow. Yes, number 3 is yellow color. And then comes number 4. Oh, red color. We have done it. Now one more dinosaur. Let's color this dinosaur. First start with number 1. Number 1 is yellow. Then number 2 is orange color. Number 2. Yes, orange color. Then number 3 is red. Well done. Number 3, red. Yes, red. The stripes are red. Oh, we have done it. And down also red color. The feet. Oh, we have done it. Now let's color one more picture. This is the space. Children, the planet. Let's color the planet. The Saturn, I think, is the biggest planet. It goes round and round. Number 1. It's a little pink color. Number 2, orange. Number 3, oh, we have done it. Then here we have an astronaut. Let's color the astronaut. Yes, number 1 is red. Number 2. Gray color. Then how many colors we have? 4 colors we have. Red and gray. We have already put gray color for the astronaut's uniform. And this is third color. Number 3 for his helmet. Done. Now the rocket. Oh, red color. Then number 2, orange. Number 3, green. Then number 4. Now let's color the world. The world. Number 1, blue color, yes. The blue color shows water and the green color shows the land. Yes, number 2 is green And number three. Which color? Red. Number three is red color. Oh, we have done it. So nice. And then we have the sun. Let's go.